Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog in Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Starting from an up dog position with my hips lifting, thighs lifting, arms outer rotating, shoulders engaged on the back body. I flip the feet and roll back. The tendency here is to widen the shoulder blades apart. I'm going to melt my heart down as I'm moving back, so my spine stays in extension. The pelvis is in a slight anterior tilt as I move back, so my thighs can root back evenly. And then I gaze towards my navel and I draw my belly in, extending energy from the hips down through the heels as I push energy from shoulders out through hands. Deep breaths. 5 good ones. If you gaze here between the feet, the inner edges of the heels should be invisible to the eyes. If you can see the inner edges of the heels, it means the legs have a slight external rotation and you want to angle your toes in and the heels out so you can root the legs back. At the end of 5 breaths, bend the knees and step or jump at the end of the exhale. Inhale, take the hands forward, shift your weight forward into the balls of the feet, keeping the weight in the fronts of the feet. Heels are light. Exhale, forward fold, gazing towards the navel again, rounding the lower back, keeping the core tight, and then squeeze legs together using the strength of the inner thighs to lift the upper body for Urdhva Hastasana, and then return to Samastitihi.